What's up everyone? Welcome back to AK Auto USA, the channel where we bring you the wildest, most luxurious, and most insane vehicles on the planet. Today, we're diving into something that completely redefines what a luxury van can be, the 2027 GMC Savana Explorer 6x6. 6 wheels, executive-level luxury, and a road presence so extreme it looks like it belongs in a billionaire motorcade. This isn't just transportation. This is a rolling mansion built to dominate every street it touches. And today, we're breaking down every unbelievable detail. Let's get into it. Starting with the exterior design, because honestly, the second this thing appears, it steals all the attention around it. Up front, the Savana Explorer features a massive GMC grille finished in gloss black with bold chrome vertical slats and illuminated red GMC lettering sitting proudly in the center. The front fascia looks aggressive, futuristic, and incredibly commanding. On both sides of the grille, razor-sharp multi-LED headlights with angular daytime running lights give this luxury beast a supercar-inspired appearance. It's intimidating, premium, and impossible to ignore. Moving along the side profile, the body is wrapped in a deep piano black finish that reflects everything around it like a mirror. But the real jaw-dropping detail is impossible to miss. This is a full 6x6 configuration. That means 6 wheels, dual rear axles, and a stance unlike anything else in the luxury van world. Massive chrome split-spoke wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires give it an ultra-premium look, while polished side steps stretch across the lower body, adding a true executive feel. At the rear, the Savana Explorer looks just as dramatic. Vertical full-width LED taillights create a modern signature appearance, while quad exhaust outlets integrated into the rear diffuser add serious attitude. A heavy-duty tow hitch sits below the bumper, and the bold GMC badge centered on the tailgate completes the design perfectly. This van already looks like $1 million statement standing still, but once the engine starts, things become even more insane. Under the hood sits a heavily modified high-displacement V8 engine producing well over 500 horsepower. Power is delivered to all 6 wheels through a refined automatic transmission, giving the Savana Explorer incredible traction, stability, and road presence. An advanced air suspension system keeps the ride smooth and perfectly level no matter the terrain or passenger load. Despite its enormous size, this machine glides down the road with luxury car comfort. This isn't a van you simply drive, this is a van you command. Step inside and suddenly you forget you're even in a vehicle. The cockpit is wrapped in premium black leather with red contrast stitching flowing across the dashboard, seats, and door panels. Carbon fiber trim accents the steering wheel, center console, and interior surfaces, while a wide digital infotainment display dominates the front cabin. Round chrome air vents, ambient lighting, and premium finishes everywhere you look create an environment that feels more like a luxury sports sedan than a commercial van. But the true magic happens in the rear passenger cabin. This is where the 2027 GMC Savana Explorer transforms into a rolling 5-star lounge. 4 fully customized captain chairs upholstered in perforated black leather with diamond quilting are arranged in an executive face-to-face layout. Every seat includes individual armrests, premium headrests, reclining functionality, and ambient red lighting glowing beneath the seats and along the cabin walls. Above, a full Alcantara suede headliner stretches across the ceiling, while a massive panoramic skylight floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel open and incredibly luxurious. Ebony wood trim runs across both sides of the cabin, paired with a handcrafted wooden center console featuring integrated cup holders, storage compartments, and executive controls. Premium Bose surround sound speakers are embedded throughout the cabin, delivering concert-level audio quality for every passenger on board. And just when you think the luxury stops there, the technology package pushes this van even further into the future. The driver receives a fully digital instrument cluster combined with a massive landscape-oriented touchscreen controlling navigation, entertainment, cameras, and vehicle settings. Advanced blind spot monitoring systems are integrated into the mirrors, alongside dedicated side-view cameras that provide maximum visibility around the enormous six-wheel body. A roof-mounted climate control system keeps every passenger comfortable, while an overhead executive control panel manages lighting, entertainment, communication systems, and cabin settings with the touch of a button. What truly separates the GMC Savana Explorer from every other luxury vehicle on the market is the combination of features no competitor offers all at once. You get the brutality of a 6x6 drivetrain, the styling of an exotic luxury SUV, the craftsmanship of a private jet, and technology that rivals ultra-luxury limousines. It's aggressive where others are conservative, luxurious where others are ordinary, and completely unforgettable everywhere it goes. There is simply nothing else like it on the road. Now let's talk about the price. The 2027 GMC Savana Explorer 6x6 carries an estimated price tag of around $6 million, placing it in the same ultra-exclusive category as bespoke creations from Brabus, Rolls-Royce Custom Divisions, and Class N. At that level, you are not simply purchasing transportation. You are commissioning a handcrafted masterpiece built for exclusivity, luxury, and presence. For celebrities, executives, VIP transport companies, and elite security fleets, the Savana Explorer delivers something priceless: attention, prestige, and unmatched uniqueness. And after seeing everything this incredible machine offers, one thing becomes crystal clear. The 2027 GMC Savana Explorer is one of the most ambitious, luxurious, and jaw-dropping vans ever created. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment below telling us what you think about this insane $6 million luxury beast. And subscribe to AK Auto USA for more unbelievable automotive content every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.